welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jay, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. This video is gonna be my fall try-on haul video that I've had, and it is also sponsored by Ana Luisa, their jewelry company, and they were nice enough to send me some jewelry pieces that they carry. They do range from $39 and up, so there is prices and there is something for everybody. And I'm also wearing them right now, so this is actually one of the pieces that I have on. It's a necklace. It's a silver with little crystals, and I'm gonna just zoom in just so you guys could see that. So this is one of the pieces that was sent to me, and it's such a beautiful piece. As you can see, it kind of is shaped like a moon actually, and it has like little crystals going around here. But this is the second piece that I got from them, and it's so beautiful. It's a Roman crown that they used to wear, but it's in a ring form, and it's so cute. So there's that one. And last but not least, I got this cute bracelet. It's the cutest thing ever, very minimal, and it reminded me of the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. That's why I got it, because I'm just like, oh my god, it looks exactly like that, and it's just very minimal looking and very dainty, and I'm all for that look. So you guys, those are the 3 items that I ended up receiving from Ana Luisa. And once again, you guys could purchase your jewelry at their website. I'll have it linked down below in the description box with my code that you could use for 10% off. So my code is JORTIES10, and that way you guys could get you guys' little jewelry pieces going on with you guys' fall clothes, because honestly this just looks so cute put together with this like high crew neck, this turtleneck, and with this little piece. It just looks beautiful. So once again, thank you again, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video, and without further ado, let's get started with our fall haul. Okay, so quickly, I just want to go through the ones I got from top to bottom, because honestly I was really shocked that they have some gorgeous pieces now. I haven't shopped there since middle school, so it was pretty surprising for me just to go back and look at the items that they have, and I'm just like, whoa, they actually have some good stuff. So most of my items that I got for this fall try-on haul is actually from top to bottom, so that's why I wanted to come up here and clarify that, because I'm just gonna go through my pieces and I'm just gonna put top to bottom on the side. Top to bottom is kind of like factory for you. It is like what, Gen X. So if you have Gen X top to bottom factory for you, go and check them out, because you won't be you won't be disappointed. There you go, because you won't be disappointed. You will actually find some great pieces there, and trust me, $14.99, $13.99 are the pieces that I got. So this is one of them. I actually got this turtleneck from them, and the only thing that I don't like about this turtleneck is that it's kind of a little bit more see-through pink, and you could actually see my bra, and it's just, that's the only thing I don't like about it. But other than that, it's perfect. I got this, and I'm the type of person that gets, like, if I like a piece, I'm gonna get them in several colors. So that's what I did. So I just want to show you the other pieces that I got from top to bottom, and in the same color, the same style but different colors. They had this in the, what is it, in a baby pink, and it's really beautiful because I usually don't tend to go for pink, so I just wanted to try something new. And this is the other color that I got. It is like this kind of orangey, burnt orange, and it totally screams fall, and it's a bodysuit. So all of these turtlenecks are bodysuits, the one I'm gonna be showing. So the bodysuits are these little things that have the clips in the bottom, and you piece them in the bottom and then you wear them like that, so that way they don't loose up whenever you wear your pants or stuff like that. So it's really nice. And then the other color I got in that was, I think those are the only ones I got in turtlenecks. Or no, just kidding, I got this one too, and this one's more like a brown color, and it's actually more like a rusty brown color. So this is totally fall too as well. So they cost $13.99, and I don't know if you can see that, but there you go, $13.99 for this. And I got them all in a size small. So for $13.99, yeah, I'm gonna get 3. So that's what I did. I got this color, I got this color, and this color. So yeah. And then for the other items, I got something similar to that color too. Actually it's the same, but this one's an open neck, and it's actually a v-neck. So I really like v-necks, and so then I just kind of wanted to put it under something like thick and then wear it like that. But it's long sleeve and it's a bodysuit as well, and like I said, if I like something, I'm gonna get them in different colors. So that's what I did. I got this color again, and I don't really have much of this type of color in my closet, so I just really wanted to get something new like that. And this color is actually like a cream color, and it's so beautiful. And again, this costs $13.99. And the other ones I got this, it's kind of like a ribbed material. As you can see, this one has buttons, and it's a bodysuit as well. And yeah, so this is the material, kind of like ribbed. The other materials as well, they're like thin, like this one. This one's the only one that's like thick, and yeah, it's like a v-neck too. And then this one cost me $13.99, and I only got one of those because I'm just like, that was the only color and that I really liked. So this little sweater, like a little crop sweater, little knit crop sweater, it's so cute. I've been seeing this a lot everywhere, so I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get it. So I did, and I got this in a oatmeal like gray color, and it's the cutest thing ever. So you know, your girl had to get it in another color too, and I believe this one was $13.99 too. So yeah, let me see. Oh no, this one was $12.99. Even a better of a deal. So $12.99 for this, and I got it in white because they had it in white, and I usually don't ever like pick white as my colors for my clothes, so I'm just like, why not get white? So I ended up getting it in white, and it actually like ties in the front, so it goes like super more up if you want it to tie up and be more scrunchy, or if you don't want it to be more scrunchy, you could just loosen it down. And then the other item that I got from top to bottom was this sweater, and it's the cutest thing ever. Like, I would only imagine boutique selling this like online. I would never think that top to bottom would have like these stylish clothes now, but girl, they do. So you better run to your top to bottom right now because you are missing out. And definitely the piece that I like about this is that it zips up, it zips down, sorry, and then in the bottom of this it actually has another zipper down, so you could zip it up if you want a more sexy look. But your homegirl has long hair since she barely gave birth, so she ain't doing that because I don't feel sexy yet. So there's that. And oh yeah, and then this one, I believe it cost, I drew that off the tag already, but I think it's like 14 bucks, honestly. It's not much at all. And whew, this right here is an actual like sweater dress. It's a little knit sweater dress, and I saw it and I was like, I'm gonna give it a try, because I don't really wear dresses at all. So I just thought it was gonna be great for pictures, for like our fall pictures, for a family photo shoot or something like that. So something special like that for me to wear. And I got in a size small. Everything here I got in a size small for the t-shirts and for the crew necks. For the turtlenecks that I got, and the v-necks too. This one's a size small, like I said, and this one is actually more on the pricier side to be for top to bottom. It was $27.99, which I am not gonna like say it was like super pricey, because the quality again is amazing, super thick. If I were to wear this alone like I am right now, girl, you won't even know it's from top to bottom. That's how good the quality is. And I love that because it actually has like some bell sleeves, and that's what's in right now, some bell sleeves going. So that's what's in, and that's what I love about it. And I actually got 2 jogger sweats because I want to be comfy and stylish at the same time. And I fell in love with these joggers. Once I bought one pair, I went back the next day to get another one. And I got so many compliments on the one jogger I bought first. So I'm like, girl, I have to go back again before they run out. And I got this in a size medium. I do go a little bit bigger for my bottoms, just because I have more bigger thighs now that I gave birth. And then on top of that, I'm still losing a little bit more weight that I have. So size medium, and these are $14. And let me show you guys them. They have a thick band, which I love. They're high-waisted, and they have a thick band, so it hides more of my lonjas. That's why I like them. And then they go down like this. They have a tie, and I got this like kind of like a gray muted color, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful color. You could dress down or you could dress up, however you like. And like I said, the first pair I got was in like this, more of like a camel color, and I got so many compliments on this, so I had to get the other color that I fell in love with. But at that time they didn't have my size, so yeah, that's how it looks. And it has a little scrunch in the bottom. So they are joggers for sure, jogger sweats. And I don't know if I mentioned the price, but they're $14. So that's my top to bottom little haul. I don't want to say it's little because it's actually like bigger than what I thought. From Target, this is like the only thing I shopped from Target, because Target is pretty pricey for me, honestly. Like sometimes I'm just like, oof. But this sweater was worth it, so I ain't even mad. This sweater right here cost me, and that's my small, $25. So yes, this one is my pricier item from this haul. And well, actually it's not, because the other ones are the other oranges. But anyways, this is like, again, a bell sleeve, and the material is just crazy thick, and it's knitted, which that's the vibe we're going for because it's fall. And obviously you couldn't go wrong with a turtleneck, and I love turtlenecks for fall. That's all you see me wearing, just turtlenecks and turtlenecks. Honestly, I'm a little monja like when it comes to fall. I love just covering up and being snuggled and in my clothes with just anything that's super thick. That's me. So yeah, you guys, that was everything I got for this haul. so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know which outfit was your favorite. And once again, don't forget to check out my discount code for the jewelry at JRTs10 for 10% off. Description will be down below for everything else I got here, and also for my jewelry as well. Again, thank you Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Said me to